Years after the premiere of the first Audi R8 GT, Audi Sport GmbH is launching the second edition of this exclusive super sports car, the new R8 GT rear-wheel drive. The 5.2-liter, naturally aspirated V10 engine's output is boosted to 620 horsepower, making it the most powerful rear-wheel drive unit in the history of the brand. To differentiate the new R8 GT rear-wheel drive from its relatives, the special model is equipped with exclusive add-on parts. The first distinguishing feature is the black R8 GT lettering on the rear. All other emblems are in black. With the Carbon Aerokit in high gloss, which was developed in the wind tunnel, the package generates better stability on the road, and therefore also faster cornering speeds. In all, the Carbon Aerokit consists of the following attachments: front splitter, flics, side skirt covers, CW elements on the sides of the rear bumper, a diffuser, and a rear wing with gooseneck suspension. This insert ensures optimum wing underflow and thus improves aerodynamic efficiency. In the style of its predecessor, the new R8 GT comes in matte Suzuka Gray. Alternatively, Tangerot Metallic and Daytona Gray Metallic are available. In the interior, Audi Sport GmbH continues its homage to the first R8 GT from 2010. The interior is crafted in a combination of black and red. This includes red belts. The floor mats in the R8 bucket seats feature the lettering of the special model in black and red. One highlight: customers can find the sequential numbering of their R8 GT in the middle of the selector lever, partially matted in the carbon inlay. Compared with the R8 V10 performance rear-wheel drive with 570 horsepower, which forms the basis for the second edition of the R8 GT, Audi Sport GmbH is increasing the performance of the special model in order to bring it up to the same level as the Quattro model. Specifically, this means 620 horsepower from 10 cylinders, 5.2 liters of displacement, and 565 Nm, available from 6,400 until 7,000 revolutions per minute. As a result, the new R8 GT accelerates to 100 km per hour in 3.4 seconds, reaches the 200 km per hour mark in just 10.1 seconds, and reaches a top speed of up to 320 km per hour. Another decisive difference: a new 7-speed dual-clutch transmission with even faster shift times. Thanks to an altered gear ratio and the associated higher speed, the new gearbox allows even more impressive acceleration in all gears. Apart from that, there's an exclusive design feature for the R8 GT only. The intake manifold is painted in black. For the first time, Audi Sport GmbH, which manufactures the new R8 GT largely by hand at Bollinger-Hofe, is offering torque rear mode. Slippage is controlled on the rear axle by the traction control system. It is part of the electronic stability control. 7 characteristic curves are stored in the automatic slip regulation, offering different levels of support. Level 1 allows little slippage, while Level 7 allows a lot of slippage. The desired torque rear level can be set by turning the control satellite on the steering wheel. Compared with the R8 V10 performance rear-wheel drive, various measures resulted in a weight reduction of around 20 kilograms to a total of 1,570 kilograms. The exclusive 20-inch, 10-spoke wheels, which can be combined with high-performance Michelin Sport Cup 2 tires, designed for road and racetrack use, play a key role in reducing weight. The lightweight forged wheels are based on Audi's motorsport vehicles. The extremely powerful ceramic braking system, which is standard equipment in the R8 GT, saves additional weight. In addition, there are R8 bucket seats in the performance sports suspension with the carbon fiber reinforced polymers anti-roll bar. The front anti-roll bar is made from carbon fiber reinforced plastic. Together with the two coupling rod connections made of red anodized aluminum, which protects against corrosion, it reduces weight and increases road holding and cornering dynamics. Even sportier R8 GT coilover suspension is available as an option. This allows you to individually adjust the trim position in the compression and rebound levels. The new R8 GT is limited to 333 units worldwide. It will be available at dealerships from 2023. Prices start at €225,000.